Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the topic degrees of comparison. Okay, as you know, adjective adjective are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. Okay, however, degrees of comparison are used when we compare one person or one thing with another. Okay, for example, we take the sum of the example just like that. Girish is a strong man. Okay, or if Ram is a strong man. Okay, so in this sentence you have to see that here is the Ram is a noun word, is a verb, is a article, strong is a adjective word, and man is a noun word. Okay, so this word means strong word describe about the noun, so this word will be the adjective. Okay, so but we have to use adjective in a different way when it will be one person or more than one person or things. Okay, so just like that we have to use, if here the one person, then we use the adjective as is past tense. Okay, but it will, when the noun word will be the more than one, then how can we use it? So just like that, ramesh is ramesh is stronger than Ram. So in this sentence there are two persons, Ramesh and Ram, and both person is different from each other. Just like that, Ram is stronger, but Ramesh is stronger than Ram. Okay, it is comparison between the two persons. When we compare more than two persons, then it will be the separate. Just like that, Neil is or Neil is Neil is strongest is the strongest strongest man in the class. So you have to see here, this is the simple adjective, but in this adjective use a compare the two persons, so it use a comparative adjective, and where we use the more than two person, then we use the superlative adjective. Okay, so we can say that the adjective, when we read the adjective as a degree, then it will be the three degree: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, so first we are talking about the positive degree. We are not told how strong he is. Okay, the word strong is the positive degree, as you see at the example. Okay, and the positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Okay, wherever we use adjective in a sentence and there is no any comparison, then we use the positive degree. Just like that, you have to see a strong word is a positive degree. Okay, Ram is a strong boy, there is no any comparison, so this word will be the positive word. Okay, positive of the adjective, and we can say that it will be a positive degree. That's clear. And when the word stronger, you can see here the word stronger. Okay, the word stronger is in the comparative degree, it is used to compare two people or things. You can see here is the two people, Ramesh and Ram. Okay, and we compare the both person by the help of the adjective. Okay, and that adjective it is the used for the degree, then it will be the second degree. Second degree is comparative degree. Okay, so we, when we compare two person or things, and then we not use the positive degree, it means a simple adjective, we have to use the comparative degree. So stronger word is the comparative degree, and we have to see the comparative degree is used to compare two people or things. We simply state that comparative degree is used to compare two things are a person. Okay, so comparative degree always use for the two person or two things. So when we use when we compare between the two person or two things or two animals, then we have to use always use the comparative degree. If we use the positive degree or a simple adjective, then it will be wrong. Okay, and before the degree, here is the some mistake. It will be Ramesh is stronger than. Okay, okay, then is right here. After the use comparative degree, we have to use than. Okay, without that we cannot accept it is the right word. Okay, when you use the comparative degree, then always use after the comparative degree, you have to use always then or before the noun word. Okay, just like that, Ramesh is stronger. Second form of the strong will be stronger. It is the positive degree, it is the second comparative degree. Stronger than. Okay, after the stronger you have to use then Ram. Okay, so this word is the compare of the both person by the comparative degree. That's clear. Now next is you can see here it is the third example, and in the third example the word strongest is in the superlative degree. It denotes the highest degree of the quality. Strong word is a quality, stronger is also quality, and strongest is also quality word, but it is the make a separate state. It is the positive, it is the comparative, and it is the superlative degree. Okay, and the superlative degree always denote the highest degree of the quality, and it is used when more than two people or things are compared with one another. Okay, so you have to see here is the Neil is a one person, and the person compared with the whole class, and there are many person used in a whole class. Okay, so it is this in the comparative you have to see only two person are compared. In the positive you have to see so the quality of the only one person, but in the third sentence you have to see here is the one person that compares with the more than two person. Okay, more than two person, and when we use the more than two person, then we have to use the superlative degree. Okay, we have to use the superlative degree, and before the superlative degree we always use the articles. Okay, we have to use the articles. Without when we not use of the articles the, then it will be not correct. That's clear. It means so same as positive degree used for the one person, comparative degree used for the two person, and superlative degree used for the more than two person. Okay, and in the definition we have to simply define it. Positive degree means the positive degree is used when no comparison is made. Okay, positive degree is used when no comparison is made, and comparative degree is used to compare two people or things, just like Ramesh and Ram. Okay, and the superlative degree can be used to compare more than two things. It denotes the highest degree of the quality. That's clear. I hope you all understand about this. Next, we know about the some rules of the degree, and there are some rules which govern the formation of the comparative degree, comparative and superlative degree. Okay, and of the adjective, just like that, strong, stronger, and strongest. It use some of the rules to make a positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Okay, just like that, small, smaller, smallest, kind, kinder, kindest. Okay, most of adjective form of the compare degree by adding er. Okay, by adding er, just like that, er it is use the here the simple adjective, and in the simple adjective you use er, then it will be comparative, or in the superlative degree we have to use est, just like that, est. Okay, strong, stronger, strongest. Okay, we simply add er and est. Okay, but many of the adjective we have to use different kind of the letter, just like if the positive degree ends in e. Okay, it's in with E we add only R and ST, okay, to form the compare degree and superlative degree. For example, safe, you can see here the E, okay, then it will be safer, and in the last we had ST, okay, safe, safer, safest, okay, and such as we also use the white, whiter, whitest, okay, and if where the positive degree ends in Y proceeding by the consonants, the Y is changed into the I before adding ER and EST, just like that. Happy, you can see here the happy word is an adjective word, and when we change the happy word into the comparative and superlative degree, then we have to remove the drop the Y letter, and in place of Y we have to use I, and it will be changed into the comparative and superlative by adding ER and EST. Happy will be happier and happiest, okay. So you have to see here, add ER and EST and Y will be I, okay. It is the third method of to change the positive degree to comparative degree, positive to comparative and superlative degree, okay. And if the Y have a vowels, okay, before the Y you have to see consonants letter, and if the before the Y we have to get vowels letter, then it is not changed into I, okay, just like that. Gray, grayer and grayest, gray, grayer, grayest, grayest, okay. You will see here before the Y you can see here I is E is a vowels letter, and when we find E before the Y, any vowels letter before the Y, then we cannot change Y into the I, and we simply add ER and EST, okay, and then it change into the comparative degree and superlative degree, okay. That's clear. To form up the comparative degree and superlative degree of a adjective having a single syllable, okay, and ending in a single consonants preceded by short vowels. The consonants is doubled before adding ER and EST, just like that. Big, okay, you can see big is a word, and when we add change into the comparative and superlative degree, then it will be big will be bigger and biggest. So you have to see here G will be double after the adding before adding ER and EST, okay. And some of the rules, that's just like many adjective of the more than 3 syllables, okay, 3 syllables form their comparative by adding the word more before the positive, and their superlative by adding the most before the positive, just like that. Difficult word, difficult, okay. If the word difficult, then we cannot change it by adding ER and EST, okay. We have to use other word, just like that. Difficult, more difficult, and most difficult, most difficult. So it is some important rules to change positive degree to comparative, okay, and superlative degree. But some adjective that is the irregular, that have no any rules, we can change, we can remember it to its all the form. It means comparative and superlative. Just like that, you have to know very time. Just like good. Okay, good is irregular adjective that we can change into the comparative and superlative degree. Just like a good, better, and best. That's clear. So it is the some important rule to change positive degree into the comparative degree and superlative degree. I hope you all understand. And there are many of the word. If the just like that, here the use more and most. Okay, and we have to use much. Much means a large quantity of. It is used with a uncountable noun. Okay, we have to use much as a more. Okay, and many means a large number of, and it is used to with a plural of the countable noun. That's clear. Just like that, there is much ink in the bottle. Okay, I will need many cartons to these books. So these type of the adjective words used with the noun. So I hope you all understand. We have to meet in the next video. So thank you for the watching video.